Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI and I want to tell you about this awesome MacBook Pro. This is the 13-inch screen and my favorite part about it is the touch bar that it has on top. I love that you can increase or decrease the volume, the brightness of the screen. I like that it even gives you suggestions of what to write next when you're typing. You can choose emojis when you're typing a message or an email, which I think it's super fun and it's super convenient. And I like that the touch bar is intuitive, so depending on what app you use, it changes the functions that it shows. For example, if you're in a video call, it shows the microphone, the mute option, or the turn camera option. I also like how lightweight it is. As you can see, I'm holding it with one hand. It's not heavy at all. And it's very easy to carry with you if you're traveling. It's super light and small. And I really like the USB-C ports that it has on each side. It has two on each side, as you can see here, and also an input for an auxiliary cord or headphones. And it's so convenient because you can charge your laptop out of any of these four ports, which I think it's amazing. So if you're looking for a great laptop for your work, for your office, for just home, for watching movies, I really recommend this MacBook, and that is my point of view.